हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आई एम बैक विद माय एमसीक्यू सीरीज़ ऑन असम हिस्ट्री। जैसा कि आप सभी जानते हैं कि असम हिस्ट्री से असम गवर्नमेंट की किसी भी एग्जामिनेशन में, चाहे वो फॉरेस्ट का हो, डीएमई हो या कोई भी एग्जामिनेशन हो, उसमें असम हिस्ट्री से सबसे ज़्यादा क्वेश्चंस आते हैं। इसीलिए मैं भी असम हिस्ट्री को बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस दे रही हूँ और इसके बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस एक साथ सॉल्व करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ। और इसमें 850 प्लस क्वेश्चंस है, तो मैं इसको सीरीज़ वाइज सॉल्व करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ। सो आई होप ये आप लोगों के काम आए। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। अभी तक 460 क्वेश्चन तक हो चुका था, 461 से स्टार्ट करते हैं। In the Battle of Saraighat 1671, the Ahom army was commanded by Lachit Borphukan. Who was the commander of the Mughals? It was Ram Singh. Or the question can also become in the way that who was the leader of the Mughal army in the Battle of Saraighat? It was Ram Singh. Who was the astrologer of Lachit Borphukan? It was Achyutananda Doloi. ठीक है? Who was the prime minister of Ahom kingdom during the Battle of Saraighat? It is Atan Buragohain. Who is this? Who said this? Matlab, it is a tragedy that my country is facing this dire catastrophe during my Fukanship. How will my king be saved? How will my people be saved? And how will my prosperity be shaped? It was said by Lachit Borphukan. Where is the Maidam of Lachit Borphukan located? It was in uh, Jorhat, Nora Hilodari village. Okay, ये याद रखना. Which king was commonly known as Parvatiya Raja? It was Sudoifa. The town of Boka was built during the reign of Sudoifa. Who surrendered the lower Assam and Guwahati in favor of the Mughals? It was Laluk Sola Borphukan. Who offered Laluk Sola Borphukan a sum of 4 lakh rupees for handing over Guwahati to the Mughals? It was Azam Dara. Who among the following became famous in history of Assam as Lora Raja? It was Sulikfa, sorry. What was the name of Hindu name of Suklifa or Lora Raja? It was Ratnadhwaj Singha. Which Ahom king established the norm that Ahom prince has to be free from any physical disability, defects, and deformity to become a king? It was Ratnadhwaj Singh Lora Raja. The only recorded work constructed during the reign of Lora Raja was Dauki Ali. Lora Raja was guided and backed by which of the following Satra? Dakhinapad Shatra. In 1680, who was assassinated by Bhotai Deka Shoikia, Aghona Kochari? It was Laluk and Madan Tamuri. It was Laluk Sola Borphukan. Who was the Rajmantri Phukan or Prime Minister during the reign of Sulikfa? It was Laluk Sola Borphukan. Means this is an important name. Who began a campaign to inflict wounds on Ahom princes who were eligible for the throne? It was Laluk Sola Borphukan. See the conspiracy. Laluk, we have to find the correct statements. Like all the three statements are correct. So read the statement. Laluk Borphukan was appointed as Borphukan by Udayatitya Singha. Sulikfa was the only 14 years old when he was made the king of the Ahom kingdom by Laluk Sola Borphukan. Most of the atrocities committed during the reign of Lora Raja were done by the orders of Laluk, Laluk Sola Borphukan. Okay? Jayamati Kuwari was tortured and killed by the henchmen of Sulikfa and Laluk Sola Borphukan. Consider the following statement. These three statements are all three are right. So Jayamati Kuwari was the wife of Tai Ahom prince Gadapani. Sulikfa's soldiers brought Jayamati to Zeringa Pathar and punished her in honor of the memory of Jayamati. Rudra Singh, her son, built the Joy Sagar tank at Sibasagar. Okay. Who was the home name? What was the home name of Gadadhar Singh? Supatva. Supatva Gadadhar Singh belonged to which clan? Tungkhunia clan. Which of the following Ahom king initiated a land measurement scheme? It was Gadadhar Singha. Which Ahom king built the temple at island of Umananda for tantric worship? It was Gadadhar Singha. The temple of Umananda is associated with the which deity? It was Shiva. Who built the mosque at Hajo, popularly known as Poa Mokka? It was Sujaddin Muhammad Shah. And Poa Mokka at Hajo is associated with Ghiyasuddin Aulia. Means it was built in the memory of Ghiyasuddin Aulia. In which year the Battle of Itakuli was fought? 1682. This is very important question. I have found in almost every paper one or two times. What is the name of final battle between Ahoms and Mughals? The last battle in the year 1682, which ended the long-drawn Ahom-Mughal conflict, was Battle of Itakuli, fought in 1682. The last battle between Ahoms and the Mughals were fought at Itakuli. Who was the Ahom king during the Battle of Itakuli? It was Gadadhar Singh. Who was the Ahom leader in the Battle of Itakuli? It was Dihingya Alon Bor Borua. So we have to find the here incorrect one. So D is the incorrect, means all the three is ABC is correct, so read that. The battle was fought in 1682. Okay. Ahom reigned Kamrup up to Manas River after winning the battle. Okay. Ahom established firm reign over the Guwahati till the advent of British in 1826. And here is Mir Jumla was the commander in chief of Mughal army. No, Mansur Khan III was the commander in chief of Mughal army during the battle of Itakudi. This question can separately can come. Dhodar Ali was constructed by Gadadhar Singha. Two Ahom kings were known as Borha Raja. One was Pratap Hinga and another was is Gadadhar Hinga. Sorry, by mistake I have highlighted all the things. Which of the following Ahom king mobilized some dhots or lazy people to construct the Dhodar Ali? It was Gadadhar Singha. Achha, okay. Who was known as the Loy Kumar before he became the king of Ahom kingdom? Rudra Singha. So Lal Gohain administered which of the following region? Nagaon and Saridwar region. Which of the following Ahom king planned an invasion of Bengal? It was Rudra Hinga. Which Ahom king hoped to make Ahom kings as one of the powerful kingdoms of India? It was Rudra Hinga. Which Ahom king created the post of Besbarua? It was Rudra Hinga. This is very important. Huh? Which one of the following Ahom king created the positions like Kotoki, Khaun, Doloi, etc.? Rudra Hinga. Which Ahom king sent his men to Delhi to learn music? Rudra Singha. Which Ahom king sent Brahmin boys to Gurukuls for Vedic and Sanskrit studies? Important one, Rudra Singha. Who introduced Mughal style dresses in the Ahom court? It was none other than Rudra Singha. In Ahom kingdom, an officer was to direct music. Who was he? It was Gayan Barua. Acha, what is the Ahom name of Rudra Singh? Tell me in the comment section. Who was the first Ahom king to celebrate Bihu in the country yard of Assam? It was not country yard, it was courtyard of Assam. It was Rudra Singha. The Silsko stone bridge of Sivsagar was constructed by the Ahoms. Who built the stone bridge over the river Namdang? It was Rudra Singha. Namdang stone bridge was built in arc style. Who was the mother of Rudra Singha? Joymati. Which of the following is a man-made lake? It was Joy Sagar. And other three like Digali Pukhuri, Dihing Lake, Ramkrishna Lake are naturally made lake. Joy Sagar was one of the largest man-made lake was built by Swargadev Rudra Hingha. From which region from the region of which king the Sanskrit language was used in the Ahom coins? It was Rudra Singha. Who built Joydor on the bank of Joy Sagar tank? Rudra Singha. Name the Ahom king who sent the first emissary to Tripura, Rudra Singha. The Raj Vansavali was written by Surya Khadi Daivangana. Name the European merchant who had extensive soul trade in Ahom kingdom. It was Daniel Rausch. Who shifted the Ahom capital from Gargaon to Rangpur was uh, Rudra Singh. Okay. Name the chief architect who planned and constructed the city of Rangpur. Ghanashyam Khanikar. Kabiraj Chakrabarti was the royal poet of which of the following Ahom king? It was Rudra Singha. The Ahom name of Swargadev Siva Singha was Sutanfa. A regular gold currency was introduced in Ahom kingdom by Siva Singha. Two Ahom monarchs issued coins in Persian language. One was of Rajeshwar Singha and the other was of Shiva Singha. Krishna Ram Bhattacharya was brought from Bengal and was known by the name of Parvatya Gosai as he settled at Nilachal Hill for the worship of Kamakya temple and the management of Kamakya temple. So 525 we are stopping here, and in next video we will complete. Okay, otherwise the video will be long. So thank you for watching. If you are new to the channel, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.